Hello, and welcome to this English lesson. Today, we are going to study the difference between this, these, and those, and we are going to learn how and when to use them correctly in English. In this lesson, you will understand what these words mean, how they are used in real sentences, and how to avoid common mistakes. By the end of this lesson, you should feel more confident using them in everyday English conversations. Let's begin. In English, the words this, these, and those are called demonstratives. Demonstratives are words that help us point to things, people, or ideas. They help us show if something is near us or far from us, and they also help us show if we are talking about one thing or more than one thing. Let's start with the word this. We use this when we talk about one thing and when this thing is near us, so we are talking about something singular and close to us. So we have this structure. We say this plus a singular noun. Let's take an example. This book is interesting. Here, we are talking about one book, and we imagine the book is close to us, maybe in our hand or on a table in front of us. Let's take another example. This phone is new. Again, we are talking about one phone, and the phone is near us. We can also use this to talk about time when something feels close to the present moment. Let's take an example. This day is special. This week is very busy. Now let's continue with the word these. We use these when we talk about more than one thing and when these things are near us. So now we are talking about plural things that are close to us. So we have this structure. We say these plus a plural noun. Let's take an example. These books are interesting. Here, we are talking about many books, and we imagine the books are near us, maybe on a table next to us. Let's take another example. These shoes are comfortable. Again, more than one shoe, and they are near us. Now let's move to the word those. We use those when we talk about more than one thing and when these things are far from us. So now we are talking about plural things that are not close to us. So we have this structure. We say those plus a plural noun. Let's take an example. Those houses are beautiful. Here, we imagine the houses are far away, maybe on another street or on a hill. Let's take another example. Those students are very smart. We imagine the students are not near us, maybe on the other side of the room or somewhere else. Now let's compare them together to make it very clear. If I say this car, I am talking about one car near me. If I say these cars, I am talking about many cars near me. If I say those cars, I am talking about many cars far from me. Now let's talk about common mistakes. Many learners say, "This books are good." This is incorrect. Because books is plural, we must say, "These books are good." Another mistake is saying, "Those book is mine." This is incorrect, because book is singular. We would say, "That book is mine" if it is far away. Now let me give you a simple way to remember everything. When you want to choose between this, these, and those, ask yourself two questions. First question, are you talking about one thing or many things? Second question, is the thing near you or far from you? If it is one thing and near you, you use this. If it is many things and near you, you use these. If it is many things and far from you, you use those. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. This is my teacher. These are my classmates. Those are my classmates over there. This exercise is easy. These exercises are helpful. Those exercises were difficult. To finish this lesson, Remember that this, these, and those help you show number and distance. The more you practice, the more natural it will become when you speak English. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep speaking English every day.